This business jet may be over 2 decades old, but it's still flying executives, entrepreneurs, and private owners across continents, delivering comfort, reliability, and confidence at 40,000 feet. In an era dominated by glass cockpits and brand new airframes, this aircraft continues to prove that smart design and proven engineering never go out of style. Welcome back to ElitoLux, where we explore timeless aircraft, modern luxury, and the real value behind private aviation. Today, we're stepping into a true classic of business aviation, the 2002 Hawker 800 XP. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a potential buyer, or simply curious about why this jet is still relevant in today's market, stay with us, because we're breaking down everything you need to know, from performance to ownership reality. Let's begin. The Hawker 800 XP is one of the most respected names in the midsize business jet category. Renowned for its balance of performance, comfort, and long-term reliability, it became a staple among corporate flight departments, charter operators, and private owners worldwide. Produced as part of the legendary Hawker 800 series, a lineage that began in the 1980s. The 800 XP, introduced in 2002, represented a refined evolution of the platform. It brought improved systems, enhanced performance margins, and better operational efficiency over earlier variants. Even today, the 800 XP is praised for its solid range, spacious cabin, and predictable handling. Qualities that continue to make it a strong contender in the pre-owned business jet market. So what exactly makes the Hawker 800 XP such a compelling aircraft, even years after its debut? Let's take a closer look. Design and specifications. The Hawker 800 XP features a sleek, purposeful design that reflects its high-performance mission profile. The aircraft measures approximately 57 feet 4 inches in length, with a wingspan of about 47 feet 4 inches. Proportions that strike a balance between cabin space and runway flexibility. With a maximum takeoff weight of roughly 30,000 pounds, the 800 XP is capable of handling a wide variety of missions, from short regional flights to longer cross-country and international routes. The airframe is designed with stability, durability, and passenger comfort in mind, prioritizing real-world usability over unnecessary complexity. Engines and performance. Powering the Hawker 800 XP are two Honeywell TF7-31-5 series engines, widely regarded for their durability, fuel efficiency, and long service life. These engines enable the aircraft to cruise at speeds of up to 480 knots, while offering a range of approximately 2,500 nautical miles, making it suitable for both domestic and international operations. The aircraft also boasts a service ceiling of 41,000 feet, allowing it to fly above weather systems and congested airspace, resulting in smoother, faster, and more efficient journeys. One of the standout strengths of the 800 XP is its runway performance. It requires approximately 5,600 feet for takeoff and around 3,500 feet for landing, giving it access to a wide range of airports, including those with shorter runways, a valuable advantage for business aviation. Avionics inside the cockpit. The Hawker 800 XP is equipped with the Honeywell Primus 1000 avionics suite. This system provides advanced navigation, communication, and flight management capabilities, enhancing situational awareness and reducing pilot workload. While it may not feature the fully digital glass cockpits found in the latest generation jets, The Primus 1000 remains a proven, reliable, and pilot-friendly platform that has earned trust across thousands of flight hours worldwide. Cabin and interior. Step inside the cabin, and the Hawker 800XP truly begins to show its strengths. The aircraft typically seats 8 to 9 passengers, though some configurations can accommodate up to 12, depending on layout. With a stand-up cabin height of 5 feet 8 inches, the interior feels open and comfortable for a midsize jet, allowing passengers to move about more freely during flight. The layout usually includes a forward galley and a fully enclosed lavatory, features that significantly enhance comfort on longer missions. Plush leather seating, flexible seating arrangements, and thoughtful storage solutions create a cabin environment that balances luxury with practicality. Technology and comfort. Despite its age, the Hawker 800XP can be equipped with a range of modern comforts. Many aircraft feature in-flight entertainment systems, satellite phone capability, Wi-Fi connectivity, and audio-visual upgrades, allowing passengers to stay productive, informed, and entertained throughout the journey. It's a cabin designed not just for travel, but for work and relaxation. Exactly what business aviation is meant to deliver. Maintenance and reliability. When it comes to ownership, the Hawker 800XP has earned a strong reputation for reliability. Routine inspections and scheduled servicing are essential, as with any aircraft, but the platform benefits from a well-established maintenance program and broad global support. Key inspections typically occur at fixed intervals, such as every 100 flight hours or annually, helping owners maintain predictable operating costs. The continued availability of parts and experienced service providers plays a major role in keeping the 800XP operational and competitive even today. Market position and value. In the current market, the Hawker 800XP remains a popular choice in the pre-owned business jet segment. A well-maintained 2002 model typically sells between $1.5 and $2.5 million, depending on total flight hours, maintenance status, and installed upgrades. This pricing makes it an attractive alternative to newer jets, offering substantial capability, comfort, and range without the high acquisition cost of a factory new aircraft. As always, working with reputable brokers and conducting thorough pre-purchase inspections is critical to ensuring a smart investment. Pros and cons. On the plus side, the Hawker 800XP offers strong performance, excellent range, a spacious cabin, and proven long-term reliability. It's a well-rounded aircraft that has truly stood the test of time. On the downside, while it's more cost-effective than newer jets, ongoing maintenance and avionics upgrades can still represent a significant investment. Some buyers may also find the technology dated compared to the latest generation aircraft. Conclusion. In the end, the 2002 Hawker 800XP remains a proven, capable, and respected business jet. Its combination of performance, comfort, operational flexibility, and value explains why it continues to attract private owners and aviation professionals around the world. Thanks for joining us here on ElitoLux. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe for more premium aviation content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Have thoughts or questions about the Hawker 800XP? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, clear skies and smooth flights.